Are you searching for a reliable spy app to monitor and protect your loved ones? Look no further. Today, I'll review uMobix, one of the best spy apps available. Stay tuned as I break down its features, benefits, and why it's the top choice for parental monitoring. Plus, don't forget to grab your free ebook, Digital Safety Made Simple, to enhance your online security strategies. The link is in the description. Let's get started. uMobix is a state-of-the-art spy app designed for parents to monitor their child's digital activities. It provides powerful tools to ensure online safety, including call and SMS tracking, see all incoming and outgoing calls and messages, social media monitoring, access real-time activity on platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, Snapchat, and Instagram, live camera streaming, view live feeds from the target device's camera, GPS tracking, get real-time location updates and a detailed location history, keylogger, record every keystroke for complete transparency. Compatible with both iOS and Android, uMobix is your all-in-one solution for advanced monitoring. Using uMobix is straightforward. 1. Sign up. Create an account on their official website. 2. Install the app. Follow easy installation steps on the target device. 3. Start tracking. Log into your dashboard to monitor calls, messages, social media, and more. The user-friendly dashboard ensures you get all the information you need without hassle. What sets uMobix apart from other spy apps is its exceptional range of features. Live camera access, a unique feature for real-time updates. Wide social media coverage, track activities on multiple platforms others can't. Easy-to-use interface, designed for users of all skill levels. Secure monitoring, your data and monitoring activity remain private. Free 7-day trial. Test the app risk-free before committing. If you're serious about monitoring, uMobix is your best bet. Want to see how uMobix can protect your loved ones? Start with the 7-day free trial using the link in the description. Experience peace of mind with uMobix. Before you go, don't forget to download your free ebook, Digital Safety Made Simple. It's packed with actionable tips to enhance your online security. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about uMobix or need help getting started, leave a comment below. Check out the description for the free ebook and uMobix trial link. See you in the next video.